guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to remove your front headlight without having to fully take off the front bumper, save yourself a lot of time, change out that bulb without it becoming a big task. So, and while you're at it, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can check out my other YouTube videos that may help you out on your CTS coupe or your CTS sedan. All right, so with the hood up, the first thing we want to do to remove the front headlight, we're going to want to remove these two plugs right here, or really just this plug right here. This one is for the grill, so just this plug. And this is going to give us access to a bolt back here, but we're also going to want to swing this out here so it's a bolt up in there. So once this is swung out and this is removed, we already have access to that one bolt. Then we're going to have access to the one bolt back here. We're going to have access to the one bolt down there, and then we'll be able to take it out and change the bulb. All right, so what we have initially here is a thing for these little plugs to be able to get it out of there without damaging them. All right, that's one out. We're going to want this bolt out right here. And now what we want is to remove this panel right here, the part of the bumper. We don't want to take the bumper off, we just want to be able to swing it out to have access to what's behind it. So you want to pull the liner back. You're going to have a couple of those, one of those panel plugs for your liner. All right, we'll do that, get that out of the way. And then there's a bolt underneath that you want to have removed. Everything should be 10 millimeter. All right, there we go. Got that out. At this point, now we should be able to take this and swing that out. All right, so now that we're able to swing this out, and we're able to also swing this out over here, we'll have access to the remaining bolts. There's one down here, and we're going to get that by taking this here, take the extension off, and then just put it in there. And be careful not to hit your headlight and damage it in any way. Right, one nut. All right, so what I will do, I will swing this out a little bit, and that will give me access to it right here. do the rest by hand. And at that point, you have all of the nuts out and bolts out. You should be able to just slide her out. There we go. And then you have a plug at the bottom. There's usually a tab on here you slide up. Once you slide that white tab up, then you're able to push this down and unplug this. And at that point, you can go ahead and change out any of the bulbs you need to change out. So that's how you remove your front headlight to change your bulb without having to take your full bumper all the way off. If you like, hit the like button and definitely hit the subscribe button, because I have a lot of other YouTubes out there working on my Cadillac CTS that may be able to assist you as well. Thanks a lot.